Hi guys, it's Moose. Today we are unboxing another Molinta camping series by Finding Unicorn. Last time we got the go outside one, so I'm still hoping for any of them except for the puppy one and honestly the skiing secret. But let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what we got. Let's tear it open and try to avoid the card like always. Tear it off right there. Keep it was really good. There we go. Put that to the side. And let's see what we got. This one feels a little bit smaller, so let's see. It has a little accessory. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This one has. Oh, it's the fishing one. Okay, this one's actually really cute. Let's see if I can figure out how to put on the accessories. As long as I can open this. I'm always scared of like bending it or breaking it or something. Let's see. It goes like that. Little fish. And I lost the fishing rod. Awesome. And let's see if we can get the bucket open too. Maybe hopefully I don't drop that one. And should go like that. I'll try it later. But let's see, we got the Go Fishing. And I'll be fishing for that rod that I dropped. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys.